Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Yusuf. Di sini saya peserta upskilling dan reskilling eh, di Balikpapan ya, tempatnya untuk magang dan untuk pusat belajarnya di SMK 3 Balikpapan. Nah, di sini saya akan mendemonstrasikan tentang bagaimana seorang pemimpin perusahaan itu mempresentasikan dengan menggunakan bahasa Inggris terkait dengan program kerja perusahaan untuk tahun depan. Penasaran ya? Yuk saksikan bersama. Tenang. Sebelum melakukan presentasi, pertama kita akan membuat bahan presentasi dulu tentunya ya. Di sini kita akan membuat di Canva ya. Kita langsung masuk saja ke Canva. Sebelum kita membuat, kita nyari template untuk presentasi ya. Misalnya kita pilih presentation company misalnya. Kita cari sesuai yang kita inginkan ya. Oke, baik, misalnya kita pilih ini ya. Kita kita klik saja. Jadi nanti kita buat sesuai dengan apa yang kita inginkan ya. Misalnya saya pakai yang ini, nanti pilih disesuaikan. Nah, nanti ini akan kita edit ya. Baik, kita sudah mengedit bahan presentasinya ya. Semua kita sesuaikan dengan apa yang kita kehendaki. Pertama mulai dari pembuka, kemudian yang kedua adalah visi misi dari perusahaan itu. Kemudian performa perusahaan pada tahun ini kita sampaikan sebagai bahan untuk mengukur. Kemudian juga tantangan ya, tantangan yang ada saat ini sebagai gambaran untuk semuanya. Kemudian selanjutnya menjelaskan terkait dengan rencana yang rencana untuk tahun 2025. Apa saja yang akan direncanakan, ada increase market share, product innovation, dan sustainable and environment friendly. Kemudian selanjutnya goal secara spesifiknya, target spesifiknya seperti apa kita sampaikan agar semua memahami yang kita inginkan. Nah, selanjutnya fokus ke strategi. Bagaimana sih agar caranya itu agar goal itu bisa tercapai? Di sini kita masukkan ya. Kita jelaskan nanti secara rinci. Di sini cukup poin-poinnya saja. Kemudian yang kedua adalah inovasi produk. Tadi yang pertama adalah increase its market share ya. Jadi terkait dengan market share-nya. Bagaimana agar meningkat ya. Kemudian yang kedua adalah inovasi produknya. Dan yang ketiga adalah kontinuitas berkelanjutan. Nah, ini bagian strategi-strategi yang kita sampaikan nanti pada rapat. Dan yang terakhir tentunya penutup. Nah, itu caranya ya. Kemudian setelah slide selesai, kita download, klik bagikan. Setelah itu karena kita di sini ingin downloadnya ke Microsoft PowerPoint ya, kita pilih lainnya ya. Pilih lainnya, kemudian geser ke bawah. Kita cari PowerPoint. Nah, ini ada Microsoft PowerPoint. Kemudian kita download Microsoft PowerPoint. Oke, setelah downloadnya semua ya. Ini ada pilihan berapa ya? Semua. Kita pilih semua aja. Karena semuanya ingin kita download. Kemudian pilih unduh. Baik-baik, selesai ya. Geser ke atas. Oke, kita klik. Ini saya klik foldernya untuk mengetahui tempatnya. Nah, jadi nanti di sini ya. Ini file yang akan kita gunakan untuk presentasi. Selanjutnya kita nanti akan presentasi menggunakan file ini ya. Oke, baik. Selanjutnya silakan menonton video untuk presentasinya. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay. Now I want to explain about work plans. Federation Textile Conference in 2025. This is very important. We must know about this work plan. So, before I explain about work plan, I explain about mission of a company, Federation Textile Independent Corporate. The vision is become to a global leader in the innovation and sustainable textile industry. In this vision, we have a commitment together of this vision and uh, be sure if this we can get it. And then how to get this vision? We have a mission. The mission in the first is superior quality. We must get quality control about a product. Maybe the first is about material and then the products. So if we have a quality product, I think we can sustainable about the other company. And then is excellent service. Excellent service is important because excellent service is the first human uh, interaktif ya. Jadi so excellent service can the all the company can understand and we can show about how about our company. And number three is continuous innovation. Continuous innovation is we must make a product. The product is must be innovation in the year and next year again. So why we must have innovation? Because the world is growth, and we must understand about this. And then number four is human resource development. This is important too because if human resource not have a good job, maybe the material or the product is not good too. So we can human resource development might be like a workshop or etc.
Okay.
And then suddenly a partnership. This is very important too. Okay, next. And then about the performance and analysis this year. This is about performance our company. We have a 10% growth revenue. This is I think it's very good because in Indonesian average is in 5% revenue growth, and English production efficiency is 15%. Nah, and then we have planned in the next year. We have a plan to expansion through international marketing. Maybe we can expand in the Europe, for example, in the Italy or England and Switzerland. Challenge first. This is like a problem, yeah. When and the first is limits raw material. Material is very important, but we have a little problem about this, and now we can cooperate with another company in Italy, yaitu in about nail, yes, and then the market corporate. This market corporate is very dangerous. Is we not understand about it, so we have strategies like SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. So about take market company, we can understand why we not grow like ex, like must we go. And then this is a plan about the use of textile idaman. Number first, the first is increase market share and then product innovation. And number three is sustainable and environment friendly. In the English marketing, in market share, like what I said before, we expansion in the another company like in the Europe and product innovation. We have innovation about products maybe in waxing or extra and sustainable environment friendly industry. And the next specific goal in next year is revenue growth 15% and production cost reduction is 10% and improve product quality control. And next, this is about strategy and tactics, how to can get that we plan and what I say before. The first is increase in market share. This is strategy. Strategy number one is digital marketing strategy because this in like this like you know digital is very usual. Digital marketing is very important, so we must grow and we must make a much marketing strategy in this area. And then partnership with my distributor. Partnership is very important too because nothing partnership we can do anything. Maybe we can do it with like GNA and etc. or Lion parcel. And then about the product innovation, the research and development and cooperate with the famous designer. Because if we cooperate with famous designer, maybe we can have a good designer and we can innovation more better. And then strategic and tactic about continuity. The first is use of environmentally friendly raw material. We have raw material in Europe or in England, and then implementation of sustainable production process. This is very important. That is about my presentation. My corporate. Maybe any question about that? Okay, yes.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me,
Yes.
I am interested in marketing strategy. Can you explain more detail about digital marketing strategy?
Okay, sure. About digital marketing strategy,
Yes.
we have a strategy about that. And number first, we can do with short organization of we can do with search engine optimization because search engine optimization is very important if we use browsing and if we use that SEO, we can maybe
Yes.
my product is can is can in the first page is can in the first page. And number two is we can use with search engine marketing CA, yeah, search engine marketing, and then we can use in social media marketing, maybe like affiliate or etc.
Yes.
And then we can use with email marketing and then we can make in content marketing. Maybe like maybe like that's about the digital marketing strategy.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. You are welcome. Have you any other question?
No.
Nothing. Okay. Okay. Thank you for your attention. I'm so sorry if I have fast. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Nah, itulah video presentasi saya dalam mempraktikkan atau mendemonstrasikan presentasi dalam bahasa Inggris. Terima kasih.